Hi there, I'm Rajat and I'm back with my second YouTube video. In this video, we'll talk about how to use Google's latest AI video generator, which is Veo 3.1. Let's quickly get into Google AI Studio. So you can access this AI video generator from two places. One is the Veo Studio. This is for builders, developers who want to quickly build an app, test out the capabilities of this model, and launch something on the internet. There are three ways you can generate videos. You can generate from text to video, you can generate frames to video, you can generate references to video. You can control a lot of things. You can control which model is it. Let me just pick generate preview. You can control, is it going to be landscape, portrait. Let me quickly pick portrait here, and then you can set resolution. I'll just leave it to 720. The second platform you can access the Veo 3.1 is Flow Labs. So if you are not a developer, if you don't have API keys, you can simply go to Flow Labs, and this is the entire interface. Very simple to use, designed clearly for artists, content creators, marketers, anyone who needs to create video content. You can generate video using text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. In this example, I have uploaded 3 ingredients. These are 3 pictures of Earth, a satellite image, and an image of a city. And the idea is it will generate a zoomed in effect of camera going from outer space to the city. I am selecting Veo 3.1 fast, and I'll keep this aspect ratio as landscape. We'll keep outputs limited to 1, but just for the experiment, let's just do two right now. And if you want to quickly go through the differences between AI Studio and Flow, here's a comparison table. Primarily, AI Studio is built for developers. So if you are building AI apps on top of APIs from Google, you would want to use AI Studio, where you can quickly test out your product ideas and build an app and launch it. Flow is more for artists, filmmakers, creators, and once a model stabilizes for the consumers, it gets available on Google Gemini. So Google has kind of built this AI Studio, Flow Labs, Gemini to give their AI models to different segments of customers. Now let's quickly go back and hit generate. So I'll quickly hit generate for my AI Studio prompt. And by the way, I wrote all these prompts using Gemini. And then I'll also go into Flow and hit generate for this image, which we are generating with the ingredients. And let's see what kind of results we get. So here is the result of the video I'm generating. Let's quickly just play and see. The next one is on Flow. I selected 2 scenes, 2 outputs here. So let's quickly just see what we got. Yeah. So we got an 8-second clip out of this. I think both are 8-second clips. This is super cool. So you would notice something like when we are generating something from ingredients, it is taking those images as it is and then realistically transforming that into something else. Wow. And here is the one. I think the second image is more realistic based on my ingredient. And this is what we got out of Flow. What we got out of Studio is this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with another interesting video talking about some or the other AI tool or a growth hack. Thank you.